Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debrew, and today we're going to be going over the 3 best push traffic sources. So we'll be taking an in-depth look at 3 different push traffic networks, just kind of seeing what kind of volume they do and why we like these 3 traffic sources specifically. So stay tuned for that, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you sign up for the AFK form by using the link in the description below. It's got a lot of great information on there about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, push traffic case studies, journey threads, all types of stuff, anything you could really think of. Probably got something there for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the content. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So again, this is going to be on the 3 best push traffic sources for like push notifications and CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first network is going to be MegaPush. This one makes our list because it is a large network. It does have a lot of active users on there. As you can see, there's around 450 million active users on the MegaPush network. Within those, you do get about 5 billion impressions and 35 million clicks. And not only that, but MegaPush does offer traffic from all countries. So that's really big, guys. You want to be able to market all of these products, all of these, CPA offers, all the different things all over the world. You don't want to just have to take advantage of one location like the United States or Italy, things like that. You want to be able to monetize everywhere. And just the fact that they do have so many active users on here lets you know that they are a good traffic source to promote your offers. You're going to not really run out of users to promote to. It's going to have enough users to see if the offer is good or not, different things like that. Let's go over to their network just to actually take a look at what their network looks like so you guys can see them yourself firsthand. So here is MegaPush. They spell their name a little differently. It's MegaPush. They separate it a little bit, so if you type it in, just keep that in mind. But let's take a look a little bit more about MegaPush. Let's see, it looks like they specialize specifically in push notifications. So again, this is going to be for our push traffic ads if we're promoting any kind of affiliate offers on ClickBank or any CPA offers through networks like Bing Bang Ads or Max Bounty, things like that. Let's see. They say they are the largest push notification ad network. So again, that's why they did make our list, because they are such a large ad network. They do have a ton of traffic to be able to support your campaigns, which is really nice. Let's see, and here's some more of those statistics that I was telling you about earlier. And again, they accept traffic from everywhere. The minimum price, it looks like, is less than a cent per click. So they have some pretty cheap clicks here, it looks like. They do offer kind of a tracking on there. Of course, it's not going to be as intense as something like volume, which we do really recommend if you are starting CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, to be able to track all your different campaigns and really break down the analysis behind it and optimize further if you do decide you want to move on with the campaign or whatever it is. They offer a referral program and 24/7 support. So of course, 24/7 support is always nice, especially if you're doing traffic from all over the world. You do want to be able to talk to someone at all times of the day for any kind of support. And here looks like a little graph on their age ranges of kind of what they supply. So kind of a little bit of everyone, which is pretty nice. And this is for male specifically, the yellow, and the female would be the inside of the gray. And then these are the different verticals you can actually promote on MegaPush. So dating, they have dating push notification offer, or dating push notification traffic that you can take advantage of. They have sweepstake push ads that you can take advantage of. Gambling, if you are interested in doing some of the gambling offers. Nutra as well, so some of those diet, health and fitness, all those type of offers you would be able to run on this network as well. And then if you guys are out there interested in crypto, you also can promote on here as well. So there is quite a lot of different verticals you can take advantage of on here as well, which is really nice, as well as different funding options for these push notification networks as well. So that is a brief overview of Mega Push. If you want to see some detailed Mega Push videos, you can take a look at some of our other videos on Deboroo. We have a lot of great watch me build tutorials with all of these traffic networks, not just Mega Push, that you can take advantage of and see in depth how to set up a campaign from beginning to end. So just keep that in mind as well. Let's go back over to the presentation and let's take a look and see who is next. So the next network is going to be Propeller Ads. A lot of our videos are based on Propeller Ads. If you guys have been watching our channel for a while now, you know that Propeller Ads is one of our favorite networks to start off with and really test our CPA offers and our different push notifications. They are a large traffic source as well. They have around 350 million real users for their push notification network. And it's pretty quality traffic, I would say, and at least in my experience, it converts really well. It's great for testing out campaigns. So you'll see a lot of our videos, we'll start off with Propeller Ads, we'll really test out the offers there, see how it does, and if it does well, we'll move it on to another network that you'll see after this that just has an insane amount of traffic for our offers. But let's take a closer look at the Propeller Ads network so you guys can see a little bit more about who they are as well. So this is Propeller Ads. Again, this is a company that we use quite a lot here with Team Deboroo. We usually start our offers off at Propeller Ads and then move them on to another network or keep running them there, of course, if they're doing well. But it just kind of helps us test out our offers. We really like testing them here. So a couple things about them. They have automated ad optimization that you can set up with them. It's a self-serve platform. They reach around 1 billion users with top performing ad formats. These ad formats include push notifications, on-click ads, native interstitials. For us, mainly we're going to be taking a look at push notifications. So they have around 350 million real users within their push notifications network for both mobile and desktop. And a little preview of kind of how it popped up there for them. But that's why we use them. Again, they're great for testing, especially if you're new to CPA marketing. I personally like always starting my offers here. And that's pretty much it. They also have a reporting network as well within them, so you can take a look at some detailed analysis within them as well. And they actually are pretty easily integrated with Volume if you use Volume, and you'll be able to see all your details within Volume as well. So this comes to our last slide here, the last network source for push traffic that we recommend, which would be ZeroPark. So again, guys, ZeroPark is a great network to work with. They have a super large traffic source with over 5 billion monthly clicks available for their push notification network. So huge, definitely I think the largest one that I know of. I don't know of anyone bigger than them, especially if you take a look at some of our videos. You can see how in-depth they get with our campaign analysis videos. You can see how many targets and sources are within this platform, like unlimited, really. So this is what we usually do, is we'll start off with Propeller Ads and we'll kind of test the waters there, see kind of how it works out, how the offer's running. If it's doing good or if it looks promising for us, then we'll move it over to ZeroPark and we'll try it out there. And we'll, with ZeroPark, if we can get some winners, then we know we can really scale the platform and really scale the ad and make some money with it. So that's why ZeroPark is on here. Another great benefit of ZeroPark is they have rule-based optimization setups that you can do, which will basically, based off rules that you preset, will auto-optimize your campaigns for you and start creating whitelists and excluding the sources that aren't doing well. So that's another real benefit of this network that I really enjoy. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look over at the network. So this is ZeroPark here. Again, ZeroPark is the source of high-quality push, pop, and domain traffic for your performance marketing campaigns. Again, it's who we use to help scale our campaigns. Typically, after we've tried them out on Propeller Ads, we go to ZeroPark to expand them. They have a super large inventory. It's super quick, fast campaign setup. Again, they are also integrated with volume very well. You can see all your detail analysis data within volume straight from ZeroPark to them. Again, they have 5 billion monthly clicks on push alone. If you're interested in some of these other ones, they have about 5 billion as well for here. And domain, oh, actually, I think I was clicking on the wrong ones. Yeah, so pop, well, it's changing, is even more. So that's an insane amount if you're interested in pop. But I don't know what is going on here. That is not correct. Or that's not what it said. Let me refresh this. This is bugging out. It just kept adding it. It's like 5 billion every time I clicked it. There we go. So again, 5 billion monthly clicks for push. Not going to mess with that anymore. You can take a look at some of their traffic tools too, so you can actually see the potential of what your ads will do within certain locations. So that's kind of nice to be able to take a look at. And just a little bit more about the effective ways of how they can advertise for you. These are the top verticals that are being shown on ZeroPark traffic. So a lot of app downloads, a lot of shopping and travel, desktop downloads, and of course dating offers. These are being pushed all across their network. And again, I would say they do have some fast campaign approval as well. Typically, you don't have to wait too long for getting your campaign approved. The auto optimization, that's always really nice, like I just said. With ZeroPark, you can also create a ton of different creatives as well. I believe with them you can have 10. I think with Propeller Ads, it's 8, if I remember off the top of my head. So that's always nice to be able to really test out all your different creatives for your offers. And that's pretty much it, guys. So those are the 3 push traffic networks that we use for push traffic.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.